Hi there. I hope you are finding this video series entertaining and informative. You are just one step closer to be a Twnel pro. In the past video we discussed how to start a chat with a Twnel Messenger user and the different icons on your chat manager screen. On this video you will learn how to start a conversation with another agent to collaborate in order to answer back to a Twnel user faster. As you might remember, you need to log in and click on the channels icon located on the left part of your screen. You will see two panels. Remember that each channel works as a group chat among agents. In this case, this is the channel we are enrolled in. In case you want to add a new channel, click on the plus symbol on top of the first panel. On the pop-up, assign a name and the agent's tags that will define the group. For example, if you want Northeast agents that assist just your drivers, then the tags associated with this channels should be Northeast and drivers. Agents that assist other types of deskless workers on other regions will not be part of this channel. If you tap on the top right corner, you can find more information about the other agent you are chatting with, in this case, Carlos, a super admin, and the company information that might be relevant for the conversation. If you also click on the top right corner, you can also archive the conversation and download it in order to keep track of what has been said. Just as in the last video, agents can use the / key to call templates and actions to answer faster. Piece of cake. Don't forget to watch our next video. I will teach you how to send a broadcast. This is a single message to a variety of users in just one step. See you next time.